Welcome to our kitchen garden. Today we will show you how to pickle cucumbers the Russian way, from the small plants to a jar ready for the pantry. Are you ready? Let's begin. Their journey began in February, when we started seeds for germination. By May, after the cold has passed and the sprouts grew strong indoors and in a greenhouse, we were ready to plant them in the ground. As you can see, we used empty water bottles as planters. No money waste, just use what you already have. Reuse, recycle, stay green. Cucumbers love to climb. We give them a June twine to hold on, but be gentle. If pulled too tight, the wind may snap them before they can hug the string. And don't forget to guard the new vines as they grow. Otherwise, you will end up searching for cucumbers in the jungle that are impossible to untangle. Val planted them, and I got the quest to train the vines. For me, it's not a work, it's a fun adventure. And what a pleasure it is when the first cucumbers start to show up. At first, we cherished every single one. But soon, neither we or our neighbors or friends had space for more. So we did what we always do. We pickled them. And here is what we need: 10 ingredients in total, not counting the water. Easy to remember, right? For the full ingredient list, check the description box. Watch these shots carefully for amounts, or ask in the comments. After a few experiments, Val now measures everything by eye. Now it's time for the last but not least ingredient, the cucumbers. Another little puzzle challenge for me. Since my hands are smaller, the task is mine. Looks good, right? Ready to be displayed? Almost. Not every jar turned out perfectly picture ready. The last step before pasteurizing, pour in the boiling water. Be careful, spilling it on yourself would not be pleasant. Into the oven for pasteurization, and that's it. By the way, we like to experiment with ingredients. Sometimes we add mustard or even wasabi powder. This time, few jars got jalapenos. We wasn't sure what else to use them for anyway. From vine to jar mission complete. We would love to hear your pickling stories in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more garden tutorial videos. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.